In the UK, rightmove.co.uk is the main property website portal. So most people that's looking for properties to purchase in the UK will go to this website first before any other ones. Now, Rightmove allow estate agents to actually send information on properties to sale using a format called BLM files. Now, it's a custom format that Rightmove use, and it's basically a text file with a list of properties and a list of pictures to be used within those properties. Now, if you're an estate agent, Repeat Signage has a UK Estate Agent Edition. Now, if you've installed our trial version, what you need to do is to change the version from the standard to the UK Estate Agents Edition trial. And what that does is it activates some new options. For instance, under Utilities, we've got a Visi Apps Data and a BLM file player. But what we're going to do now is to show you how to display files from Rightmove within a presentation. So I'm going to click on Presentations, Create New Presentation, Create. Now when we go to the Insert menu, we've got all the Standard Edition controls, but we've also got this new control that's specific to the Estate Agent Edition, Insert Rightmove Feed. So I'm going to click on there. And now, normally your feed will probably be coming from your website or another area, but in this case we're just going to show you the example. So I'm going to click in Local or Network File, and if I browse, when you install Repeat Signage, the trial edition, there is a sample BLM file which you can play, which is in this folder. So I'm going to select that file, and all I'm going to do for a start is click on OK, so you can see that what it does is it displays the properties from actually within that file. If I just shrink this to see a bit more what's going on, and there we go. Each of these is just a separate property. Now we've got a lot more options than that. If we actually double click on this, then what you can do is you can click on Open BLM File, and I'll just move this into view. I'll maximise this. Now what this is property records. This shows you all the properties within this particular feed. In this case is about a dozen, 11 in total, and this just shows you all the raw information. So these are all the fields that's contained within the file, and if we go a bit further, you'll start to see that there are actually the names of the image files as well. Now when you've got a BLM file, you just need to make sure all these image files are actually in the same folder as well, so that Repeat Signage knows where to find the property information. Now we've got loads of tabs on here, and when we originally set this up, we gave various options for how you display titles and descriptions, etc. And we're not going to go through it in too much detail. And we've actually got a new advanced template system where you can actually select a template and display from there. We'll give you just a quick demonstration of that. So I'm just going to turn this on and then use my template wizard. And we've got various templates here. Part of it depends on whether you're using a widescreen display or a normal display. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to select normal, because on this particular recording we're recording in 800 by 600 pixels. And OK, and this gives you a preview. So we've actually got 11 property records, and I can go next, and what this is also doing is displaying the interior pictures as well. So that's the main property picture, and obviously you can stick in your logo, etc., and that's showing you the first two pictures of the particular feed. So I'll just flip through there, so that gives you a nice example. Now because we've got this template system activated, it does ignore all the rest of these tabs. These are sort of older ones before we actually developed this template system. And if I click on OK and OK again, then it will start displaying our properties using that particular template. And there we go. Now you can use any of the normal Repeat Signage options, like resizing this or moving it around or sticking whatever else you want on there. So that's just a very quick overview of how you display properties from a Rightmove BLM file within Repeat Signage.